Hello, everybody. So, I was thinking about what it's like when you're trying to pick up gardening for the first time or you don't have a lot of experience at it, and it can be really, really daunting. I've heard so many people say to me, I find it scary. I'm not sure where to start. So, here are some tips if you find yourself feeling like that. First of all, get out a piece of paper and a pen and start writing down your favorite flowers, your favorite vegetables, your favorite fruits. Think about what you might want to have in your garden, in your gardening space. Think about when you come home and that first patch of soil that you see, what you would like to see in there, what would cheer you up, what would brighten your day to see there. Then you can think about what color palette you want. Are you one of those people that loves earthy tones, rich burgundies and bright oranges? Or are you someone that likes a soft palette of pinks and purples and whites? Once you figure those two things out, then you start to get the ball rolling. Also think about whether you want to try growing your own food, growing your own fruits and vegetables. And then what kind of space have you got to put all of that in? And where is the sun hitting that space? And for how long during the day? Look at all these things, consider them all, and then maybe go have a walk around your neighborhood. It's wintertime, so maybe now is not the best time, but think about what kind of plants you've seen in your neighborhood, because those are also plants that grow well in your region, invariably. And maybe go down to your gardening center and see what they've got there. Look at the perennial flowers, for example. They'll all have labels on them. You can look at the pictures there and see what strikes your fancy. And the thing is, gardening is not something that you do all at once. It's something that you do bit by bit by bit. So start with something manageable. And if you're starting with a completely clean slate like I was when I moved into this garden, here's a top tip from my amazing godmother, Ida. I called her in a panic and I said, Ida, I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start. And she said to me, Sandra, start in the corners. I thought about it. I was like, great. Okay, that's what I'll do. So I started in the corners, and then bit by bit, I filled in the rest. So I hope that's given you some ideas that are useful. It is winter time, and I'm very lucky at the moment. It feels like spring here, but I know for a lot of you, it's still winter. But now is a good time for planning. Get some ideas going. And then when you are ready to put those plans into action, you have a plan. Have a great day, everybody. See you soon.